Hello and welcome to another nail tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created these blue and gold nails. So we're going to start off by applying liquid latex around the nail. This is going to help with cleanup later on. Now we're going to randomly blot a couple of different colors of blue onto a makeup sponge. It really doesn't matter how perfect you are with this, it's all going to blend together later on anyways. Now we're just going to dab that sponge all over the nail. We're going to continue dabbing the sponge onto the nail until we're happy with the results. It's really up to you and what types of nail polishes you use. Now we're going to go ahead and remove that liquid latex. See how it really cleans up the skin around my nails almost perfectly? Go ahead and add a quick dry glossy top coat. This will help the nail vinyls adhere better. I'm going to go ahead and cut up this nail stencil. You can use the whole thing if you want, but I'm choosing to only use a portion of it this time. We're going to line that up with the center of the nail. And make sure it's stuck down really well, especially in the corners of your nail. I'm going to take this gold polish. With a dotting tool, I'm going to apply it within the nail stencil. Now we're going to remove the nail stencil along with the liquid nail tape. We're going to repeat this with some straight nail stencils. Once again, I'm going to cut it up a little bit and just use this little portion. Line it up with the center of the nail, press down, and then fill in with the gold polish. Remove the nail stencil and remove the liquid nail tape. Now we're going to give this a nice coat of glossy top coat. And there you have it. If you like this nail tutorial, please subscribe to my channel.